So today we're having a workshop for young drivers who are learning how to change their oil in their very own vehicles. And this workshop is designed to teach a really basic, life skill that a lot of us haven't had the opportunity to learn yet.
It's a partnership to bring student drivers and those that are just now getting in the driving field, empowering them to change the oil, but also showing them the environmental impacts and the proper way to dispose of that oil.
The partnership is between the City of Eugene, Bring, and Lane County Fleet, and we also have some partners here from LCC Automotive Technology Program, and we're all bringing our specialties to the workshop today to help these students learn about their vehicles, learn about vehicle maintenance and how that can protect the environment, how it can save them money, and it can reduce waste.
It's a great partnership, and this is the first year we're doing this event. We have 2 more years under the contract to be able to do that, so we're excited.
We're sending students home with the tools and some of the materials that they need to do this at home, and so it's really empowering them to do this at home, save themselves some money, and protect the environment.
If you'd like to get involved, reach out to us. We're always looking to extend that partnership to others that find benefit and finding ways to empower the youth.